Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about income tax refund loan. Okay, to make this more similar, I'll tell you a story. Um, so when you pay too much, let's say you pay taxes, yes, we have to pay taxes, and you pay too much income taxes, you get a refund or return of what was overpaid. Um, the government said to you, um pay us you pay us your money, you pay the tax over you overpaid the taxes, and we'll send back the money for you. You were very excited. Yes, you were very excited, and you said can I have it now? And the government said you're gonna have your overpaid money in 3 weeks. But you can't wait. You said, you can't wait. You said, but I want it now. So an income tax refund loan, will be something to do in this one. An income tax refund loan is referred to as a return and to anticipatory loan, which is RAL. When you pay too much income tax, you get a refund or return of what was overpaid. This type of loan is similar to payday loan. It's quite similar, not all similar, but is quite similar. It is usually for about 2 or 4 weeks, like the payday loan, and the interest rate is very disgusting. I mean, like, it's 50% to 200%. I mean, like, look at that. That's a lot. So, the only that's a lot. Yes. It's pretty similar to pay loan. There's only one thing I can actually tell you to do. Is that if possible, it is better to avoid this type of loan. So be patient. Wait for the refund to come in the mail. That way you won't lose money by paying interest. Yes? And if you do use the loan, then when the money due came, it won't be good for you. It will be a very little money because you also have the interest to pay too. The interest to about 50% to 200%. So if possible, it is better to avoid this type of loan. So be patient. That way you won't lose money by paying interest. Yes. That's just the only thing I can tell you to do. Be patient. Just wait. Don't use the money. Don't use this kind of tax because it's just gonna cost you a lot of money, a lot of taxes. Okay, so let's practice. Ooh, I know this is gonna come. Okay, what is the biggest reason people take out income tax return loan? A, they got bonus for taking out return and anticipatory loan. B, they want to share a portion of their tax return with a lending company. C, they are impatient or can't wait for their income tax return to arrive. So what is the biggest reason take out income tax return loan? Remember, biggest. Yes. So they get a bonus for taking out and returning anticipatory loan. So they will want to share a portion of their tax return. When they take out return anticipatory loan, they do not get a bonus. Yes. Why would they get a bonus? Just take out a loan. B, they want to share a portion of the tax return with the lending company. Wait. Maybe these are the reason. Maybe they're right reason. But the biggest reason will be people are patient. or they can't wait for their income tax to return or to arrive. Yes, so the biggest reason would be C. These might be right, but these might not be right. I'm not so sure. But C is definitely the right answer. What interest rate can you expect on an income tax return loan? 50% to 200%. It's not going to be 0.5% to 2% or 3% to 10%, because these are, and they would be like taxes for, an interest rate for something big, for something like hard to pay back, like a house, car, student loan. Yes, for but for this, then it will be about 50% to 200%. What is a good piece of advice if you are considering an income tax return loan? Okay, it's easy. I do not read the answer, but okay. It's just gonna be patient. My advice, it's gonna be patient. Don't don't use that loan. Be patient and wait for the money to return, or wait for it to return, or when it comes to you. Yes, for me, I would do that more than using that loan. So, good piece of advice, it would be patient. If you can just wait for the tax return to come in the mail, you'll end up saving money. Yes. Go for it. It never hurt to get money early. But then you would have to pay interest. Then the money, when you receive it, it will be very little, because remember, you have interest to pay too. See, don't think ahead. Just think about the present. Okay, you can think about your present, but if you think ahead, okay, if you just think about the present, let's say you say, I really want that money right now, and you just take it, and you don't think about the present. You don't think ahead. You don't think about the future. That means you don't think about what will happen about when the interest rate. So C and B is not a good answer, but A is. What happened when you can't wait 3 weeks for your tax return check, and you take out an income tax return loan? Okay. And then you would have interest to pay. And of course, you have less money after you pay back the loan because of high interest rate. That is definitely correct. You have more money when you pay back the loan because of bonuses you receive. See, it's worth getting your money early because the interest rate is so low. This income tax return loan, their interest rate is so high. C is not the correct answer. B not gonna be either, because I think if they give you bonuses, that means you would have to use their service for a long time, for a lot of time, or someone they really like you to give you a bonus. So you have less money after you pay back the loan because of the high interest rate, of course. A is the correct answer. What kind of interest rate are there on income tax return loan? I want you to do this by your own, and thank you for coming, and have a good day.